Welcome, guys. This is KOK Gift Baskets and More, bringing to you some new concepts I have. Here I used a cardboard, wrapped it with a piece of tablecloth, plastic tablecloth, and I added the chocolate chip cookie plush. And I also have a little smiley face necklace and bracelet there. And so this is just a small concept. Um, that's all I'm going to include is the little jewelry set and the plush. All right. Hope you guys like that. Next here, I have my little bear and a double necklace with a cross pendant. This is really pretty too. I put it in one of these little penny cups from Dollar General. I added a little a little rose up here by the ear, and I put a little rose here on this cardboard, okay? The cardboard that's holding the necklace. So this is a small little concept here for a little girl, and I use the XOXO ribbon that I have to put around the bear's neck, okay? Hope you guys like that one. I'm going to do a couple of those. I have about 4 more of those red cups, so I'm going to make some more of that concept. Here's another flower market box from Dollar General, and this one is beautiful. This has a lot of the soft pinks in it. The one yesterday had a lot of green, light green in it. So in this gift, guys, I have the heart-shaped little fuzzy shoulder bag. I have a tumbler. I have the strawberries and cream body mist and lotion from Five Below. I have a beautiful pair of pink earrings. And I have my pretty little bear here. And I love to just make girls out of all these little stuffed animals. So I put a little ribbon around the neck here and added a little rose up there. And then in front, I have a candle. That's one of the penny candles from Dollar General. And I put my tulle around it and added a little ribbon. And this is going to be a really nice concept. This is geared more towards a teenager, young adult. So this came out really, really nice. So let's get this one. Okay, guys, this next concept here has some really beautiful colors. So this bear is really colorful, guys. It's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So I used a lot of accessories in these same colors. So in this one, guys, I have the diamond cut tumbler, the red one back here. I also have the cherry blossom spray and lotion set. I have a beautiful wristlet. This is a little purse that came from Dollar General. So I got this for a penny as well. And I love this beautiful medallion that's on the front. I also have this yellow candle here. I just tied a red ribbon around it and added the little glitter heart there. And also back here is one of the little vases that came from Pop Shelf. And what I did was took some of my little penny flowers that I got from Dollar General, and I just used this floral fabric and just put it down in the vase to make a little arrangement. And I think that came out absolutely gorgeous. I also have the red necklace that I draped around the bear. So I think that one came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. I was really happy with that. It's so colorful. Okay, guys, so this is a different concept here. This is the same bear in a box concept, okay? So in this one, I just put another red necklace around the bear's neck. I also added the glistening pear lotion and bath salts. That's from Five Below. And that's just going to be one little simple little gift here. Okay, this is another similar concept, just different color. This is also using that acrylic box. So I have the white rose bear in this concept. I have a purple necklace. I use the purple passion fruit spray and lotion from Five Below. In this one, I added a little sprig of purple flowers in the back. And this worked out fine because the flower petals are kind of sitting at the top here. A little bit of empty space there, so the flowers didn't affect anything. So I used those in here just to add a little bit more color in the back. All right, guys, so this is all I have for now. I hope you got some good ideas from these concepts to start creating your own Valentine's Day designs. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. And again, I'll be back with more beautiful concepts. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And I am really good at answering. I will answer back. I'll always comment to your questions or comments, okay? So I love you guys. I appreciate you again for supporting my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.